my favorite hobbies is signing up to watch people's webinars and going to the sales pages and reading the sales pages. Yes, I have a problem. I understand that. If you have a complaint about that, get in line. There are a lot of people ahead of you, including my own husband, who has a lot of issues with me doing this shit. But I'm kind of a nerd. I like to see what others are doing and also feel smug about how wrong they are. That's like my favorite thing. Okay, and one of the things that people are consistently wrong about, like I feel like this is something that is happening everywhere and nobody's doing anything to stop it, so I will. And that is when you are talking about how desirable your product is, you're talking about the benefits of your product, 99% of the people stretch the desire instead of magnifying the desire. What does that mean? Obviously, you have no idea. And obviously, I'm going to explain because I take so much pride and pleasure in proving people wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, when you stretch desire, what you're doing is you are dividing their desire for a certain thing into many different elements. And what that does is it thins their desire. It doesn't make it like a red hot burning pain. But when you're doing a webinar or when you are writing a sales page or doing any sort of selling, you need to magnify the desire. You need to make the desire a red hot burning coal that they cannot get away from. I know it doesn't make sense, so I'm going to give you an example. So let's just say you sell a weight loss supplement, but it's also weight loss supplements that has other benefits, like, it has other benefits, weight loss health supplement, let's just say. An example of stretching the desire would be that you talk about how this supplement makes you lose weight, improves your skin, improves your sex life, improves your, gives you more energy, and I don't know, improves your blood test scores, whatever, right? So you just stretch the desire now in 5 different things. Now, that means that their desire for that one core thing, which is to lose weight, is not as magnified as it should have been. Instead, this is what you should do. So you talk about your supplement, but then talk about it, about one core desire that they have and magnify that desire. Instead of talking about 5, 6 different things that your supplement does, only talk about one thing: lose weight, look sexy, and then magnify it by talking about different situations where that weight loss or looking lean and slim would manifest. So imagine slipping into a size that you wore in high school. Imagine walking into a party and making people go, "What did you do?" Imagine going shopping because it's more fun and you can shop from regular size store. Imagine what else? Never having to worry about bits and bobs coming out of your clothes. Imagine taking pictures and not being worried about your double chin or your back fat or whatever, right? So you just took one desire, but you magnified it so much that it's not literally possible for people to walk away from that desire because you turned it into a red hot burning coal. So I understand that you want to tell people how many great things your product does and how many problems it solves. But when you do that, you stretch the desire, it becomes thin. And when it becomes thin, it doesn't propel people to take an action. If you want to propel them, turn it into a red hot burning coal, then you gotta magnify desire. So here's my message to you for today. Please do not stretch desire for your products. Instead, magnify desire so people cannot escape it. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know so I can do more videos on how to magnify desire and really how to talk about more desire. Leave a comment, tag a friend. If you enjoyed this video, let me know because it makes me happy. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. Bye.